Hey guys, how are you doing? Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this wig. So if you find this Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this wig. It's color 1. I've mixed it with 900. If you want it in any other color, just let me know. And then also, if you're interested in this wig or any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll send them to you, or you can order them from my website. So this is how it looks. For this part right here, you can always remove it if you don't want, just cut it, but I just put it there just to, you know, create a unique style. I'm using this olive oil. So you can see it's also easy to wear, easy to manage. For this part, you can always remove it if you don't want it. I've just like sewn it on top of the wig.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Yeah.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this style. Again, if you want it in any other color, always just let me know and I'll make the color that you prefer. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow